What is happening, guys? My name is, my name's John, or John is Rusty is my channel's name, and welcome to my silver collection, and hopefully you guys stay for the whole thing, because I got some pretty cool stuff. Yeah, so basically let's get started. Let's go right into this. So, actually, these coins are here. They're dollar coins, and they're not silver, and there's a lesson to be learned. I went to this website, and it told the silver melt values, like how much silver was in different coins from different years, and basically they said, like, oh, these coins are 40% silver, so they're worth $10 a piece, and but like at the bottom there's an asterisk, like one of those little stars, and it said, oh, but those are only proof set coins. So I took a loss on these. I paid about $2 each for these coins, and they're only worth $1 a piece because they're dollar coins. So whatever, I'll just keep them for 100 years until I die, and then whoever finds them can make some money off of them, maybe. I don't know. So there's a lesson learned. You really have to do your research when you're buying coins and silver and stuff like this. So next here, while I talk, I'm just gonna unload. So why I started collecting silver? Mostly it's because I just really like it. I just really like the idea of owning silver. If worst comes to worst with economical economical stability, and the feds, they keep printing money and whatnot, and the more money they print, the less it becomes worth. If you really think, what is money worth, it's worthless, except all it is just a promise from the government to give you this much. It's a promise from the government. That's all money is. And silver is something concrete. Silver has been valued for 6,000 years by pretty much all civilizations. So here you can see all my stuff. Hopefully you can see that. I got my tripod set up. Okay, I'll get this out of here, and I'll try to get it all together. So first off, I got. What should I do first? What should I tell you guys first? Okay, I'll do the bars first. So here are two Monarch precious metal bars. I got these from Monarch Precious Metals, obviously, and they're pretty cool. Whoops, I gotta stop looking at the actual thing. I gotta look at the camera screen. I got these from Monarch, and for about $30 an ounce. Pretty good deal, in my opinion. So there's there. Also in the same Monarch precious metal order, I got I think this is a half ounce. No, maybe quarter ounce. No, 1/10 ounce. Ooh. That's, okay, whatever. And then here's a 1 gram piece, 1 gram round. So that's pretty cool. Those are all from Monarch. Pretty cheap, but, Okay, here, let's see this one. This is an Engelhard bar, Engelhard bar. And I got this from a coin shop near I live. And if you look on different websites, Engelhard bars go for considerably more, around $5 or $6 over spot, when just regular silver goes for around $2 or $3 over spot. So Engelhard bars are, in my opinion, they look nice, and it's really cool how they have that barcode at the bottom. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, you can barely see it, but they have the barcode, and they have a website where you can type in the barcode, and you can see what time it was what time it was minted and pressed. So that's pretty cool. Next one, I have a APMEX, or no, wait, no, this is A-Mark, not APMEX. APMEX is something different. A-Mark is another silver guy, and they call this a chunky round, because, compared to this round, they're both 1 ounces, they're both the same exact weight, and I think I weighed them. Oh, I'm pretty sure, I weighed them, and if you ask a normal person, which one would you want, which one do you think's worth more, the average person would say the one on the left, but in reality they're both identical. And I actually prefer this one because, it's unique. Most 1 ounce bars, they all look the same. See, I have 3 here, they all look the same. And this one, it's out of the ordinary, it's cool. So, anyway, there's that. And Engelhard. This one's pretty cool. It is, I have no idea what the brand is, and I'm not really familiar with this brand. I only know a few brands, and this one's pretty cool. You can actually get tin snips and cut it into fourths. So if worst comes to worst in the economy, maybe a fourth of silver could buy you a bottle of water after the economy collapses. But let's hope that that doesn't happen. Let's hope that silver prices go up, and then everyone that has silver makes a little money. Let's hope for that, and let's not hope for anarchism. Okay, this is the first silver bar that I ever bought. I bought it from a coin shop, I don't know, about a year ago. Maybe half a year ago. And it says minted, or not minted, pressed in 1974. And that was back when silver was $3 an ounce, and they were just pumping out those bars. And yeah, I just think those are cool. Yeah. So I'll move on to junk silver. I'll start with the rounds. Or not rounds, I'm stupid. Coins. So I have 3 different half dollars. These are pretty cool. I have and one of each style pretty much, except for Barbara. And here's a Kennedy, Franklin, and then a walking Liberty or standing Liberty or something. I don't know what they're called for half dollars. It seems like they're different. So there's 3 different coins. Paid about $10 a piece for those. About spot. Here is a whole bunch of nickels. I'm not even going to take those out, but those are Buffalo nickels. And actually, one of them's a 42 nickel, which is silver. Or I'm hoping it's silver, actually. I'm not even positive if it's silver, but I'm hoping it's silver. And it's in a $half tube. So, those are just, they're cool to have. Here's a whole bunch of dimes. Half of them are Mercury, and the other half are this guy. I'm thinking that's Roosevelt. I'm not positive, actually, though. I'm pretty new to this. I've only been collecting for about 6 months, or not even. Been really like doing my research. Here I got 3 quarters, and they're actually really shiny. Here I'm gonna zoom in on those quarters. Whoops. Okay, man, that was a bad idea. Never mind. I'm not zooming in. I'll bring it closer. They're real shiny quarters, and they're all 64 coincidentally. And one of them I actually found in a toy bank. At one of these little flea market things. The guy had a toy bank, and I was just looking. There was a real crusty looking quarter, and I looked at it, and it said 1964, and I was like, oh shit, better get this toy bank. And I was like, hey, how much is the bank? And he was like, how much you want to give it for me? And I was like, how about 50 cents for the bank? He said, yeah, sure. So I made $5 or $4.50 on that deal, because quarters are worth around $5. This is pretty cool. Certificate of authenticity. Whoops, I'm doing that again. I'm off on I'm not even looking at the camera. 1 grain solid gold. See that little speck of gold right there? Here's my finger. That's worth about $3 just in gold. That kind of tells you how crazy gold is going up. Here. This thing over here is worth about $1. This thing right here is worth about $1 in silver, and this little tiny thing is worth about $3. So that tells how crazy prices are compared to silver. How crazy gold prices are. This thing again, I got it at a flea market, and it's a copper box. I'm pretty sure it's copper. I had a magnet on me, and I stuck the magnet on there, and to see if it was, maybe it was steel or something in there, and it didn't stick. So I'm guessing that it's copper. I don't think they would copper plate something, and I just kind of thought it's pretty heavy actually. Just the copper itself is probably worth $2, and I paid $1 for it, so that's pretty cool. Here's a whole bunch of copper pennies I've had stashed away for probably like 5 years. Back when I was little, I would do coin roll hunting and look through pennies and try to find copper, find the wheat ones. So that's pretty cool. And last but not least, or no, actually I have a couple of stupid things to talk about. But here is a silver eagle. This is brand new. Well, I'm touching it, so it's probably not worth anything more than spot now, or no, actually paid pretty good premium on silver eagles. Yeah. So anyway, brand new, and I got this case for $1 somewhere, and so I just kind of I'll buy more silver eagles over the time and just throw them in there. What else? Here we go. This is my very first silver purchase of all time, I guess. Whoa, sorry camera. I went on eBay and I was like, man, I should buy silver. It's like, I don't really want to spend $30, $5 on something I don't really know what I'm doing, and this was like $5, and I was like, okay, what can you do? And the picture showed like a big pile. Oh, and first off, this is silver shot silver. It's basically silver melted down to little balls, little ball bearings, BBs. And I guess you could put them in a shotgun shell. So this is 6 grams. Right now it's actually worth about $5, $4 worth of silver. So I didn't really lose money on it. I think I bought it when silver is considerably cheap. But yeah, you know, I bought it on eBay, and that was a mistake learned. You know, you make mistakes when you have a new hobby. So here, I'm gonna kind of try to move this all over. So that's my whole silver collection. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. There's my treasure chest box back there. Subscribe if you want more. I'll have more silver videos, and I'll have some knife videos coming up. Alright, peace, guys.